Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is from Maxim, Ohio, and here we have ASR unit from S-Class W140, and unit is repaired, and this is basically the operational test. Now, the wires were bad, but on top of wires, the clutch coil was also bad, so I did both ends on the clutch coil just for good measure, and it works now. We're good there. So it's been active on the bench just like this for quite a long time, and it's been working well. Now internally it doesn't seem to be pretty bad. I mean, the unit looks pretty good inside. On the outside, however, it does have some oxidation and some etched in dirt and stuff like that, but that's probably because car sat for a while. But internals seem to suggest that actually it's not really a high mileage unit. It cleaned up the best I could clean it off, although again you got some oxidation on the actual surfaces here, but that's nothing to worry about. It's actually, I've seen way worse than this, usually from cars that came from Florida, near the ocean, California, where salt water is in play. And I've seen some units from Caribbeans where they're like etched out very badly because again of salt water. Now the linkage is extremely light. That's really very nice. I had to relocate the plate, and everything is in order here. Temperature of the unit, just to show that it has been active for a while. And of course this thing is not working well. Well, as you can see, it's around 90, it's high 90s. So yeah, just to show that the unit has been working. Room temperature at the moment is like 59. So this unit has been active for quite a long time, because it takes time for unit to warm up to this very temperature. Next, the readings. This is just like a standard procedure here. So we have for readings here, we have 4.24 on R2, which is great. 0.54, that's pretty much in the middle. Range goes from 0.4 to 0.6. We're like right pretty much in the middle of that range. We have speed, the safety contact switches here on off. They do jump around. That's a glitch in the system, nothing to worry about. And on the S-Class, for some reason, I noticed that they're not even being read for some reason. This is a different control module here I'm using that actually reads these. It's from another vehicle. So, and well, obviously the activation is like wide open throttle. We have micro switches flip. They just mirror, just like flip flop. 0.49, 4.41. Obviously those readings will not be mirror image, so not to be concerned about that. It's just that to show that voltages do change, and we do have a sweep here of voltages changing when throttle is being opened and closed. So we're in good shape here. As you can see, it does take a little time for computer to show voltages, but they're fine. If any voltages are wrong or something is going on, then obviously unit will go into limp mode. Idle speed contact switch is your gas pedal switch. I have it here externally. I just clicked it. That's just, you see it went off. But again, it has to be on so I can activate unit on the bench. This is your basically idle. You see it gets ready for idle. Well, I guess that would be all, just to show the condition and operation before unit is going to be mailed back out to a customer tomorrow. It works very nice. I mean, I like it. Very nice and fluid motion. No, pretty nice. I mean, it's pretty good. Okay, so this is going to be all. Next unit is going on the bench, and off this unit goes back to a customer. Alright, so this is all. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.